Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Usually I don't upload on Fridays, but today I have a special bonus episode. We're going to be doing some Valentine's Day themed nails using products from Double Dip Nails. I'm going to be doing dip powder nails on myself. I'm super excited to show you guys what I planned on doing today, so yes, let's get right into it. So first, I'm going to prepare my nails for a dip manicure. I'm just going to use some acetone to soak off the base coat I put on my nails to protect them. I'm then going to use my nail clippers and take down the length of some of my longer nails so that they all are about the same length. And then I like to help get the nails to an almond shape that I like faster by just using the clippers to just take off the corners. And then I'm going to go in with my glass file and just use this to gently shape my natural nails. I'm going to then gently buff my nail surface. And then I'm just going to sanitize my nails with a combination I made of alcohol and acetone. Alright, so now we're ready to get started with the dip manicure. Now I'm going to be featuring Double Dip's Falling in Love Dip Powder Kit. It features 6 different colors, and for a full review of the set, I will link above my video that I did with this kit. I did swatch out all the colors so you guys can see what they look like. Beginning on the pinky finger, I'm going to be doing a light pink to red scrub ombre. So I'm going to start out by using the lightest of the colors, and I'm going to start out by applying 2 coats of the light pink, which is called Sugar Swizzle, to the pinky. Next, we're going to grab the other colors we need to use in this ombre. I'm next going to use Expensive Pink, but I'm going to take a little brush here. I'm just going to pick up some of the powder, and then I'm just going to kind of scrub it sideways into the first base of color we have here. This color isn't too much different than the base one, so I didn't really expect to see much of a difference here, but it's just going to be kind of that middle color in between. I'm going to tap out this brush so we can use it for the next color. This one is a gorgeous red called Red Velvet. I'm just going to pick up some of the powder and I'm going to scrub it right into the tip. Now, in order to preserve the ombre that we made, we do need to encapsulate it with some clear dip powder. You can really use any brand you want. I just have one from Kira Sky, but it is a clear dip powder. I'm going to apply a coat of the base and then use a spoon to just spoon on the clear over this. I'm then going to grab the activator and just brush this over to activate the dip powder to make it harden faster. I'm then going to buff the nail surface, and then I'm going to reseal the nail with some more activator. Now this is where I will stop working with this nail and we will start the next one so we can top coat them all at the same time. However, I do want to add a little rhinestone or something to this one. So now for this next nail, I do want it to be kind of simple. So I'm just going to do a coat of the Sugar Swizzle, this light pink, on this nail, and I will also add some rhinestones. So after activator, buffing, and then activator again, we're going to move on to the next nail. So for this nail, I want to put a little bit more red into this design. So I'm going to do a full coverage nail of this red velvet, and then we're going to do some loose glitter on top of that. Alright, so all the way through to activator, now we're ready to move to the next nail. So on this nail, what I want to do is use my clear to build a base, and then I'm going to use some of these really cute glitters I got from She Modern. So it has hearts, moons, and stars, and I'm going to just pick out the hearts and just scatter a few of those around on the nail. So I'm first going to apply the base to the entire nail surface, and then dip into the clear powder. Now I'm going to apply the base again, and then I'm just going to use a toothpick to pick up the hearts and place them on the nail. Alright, so now we're going to clear encapsulate this. Oops, that was a little bit more base than I needed. And I'm guessing it might take a couple coats to make sure all the glitters are fully covered. gonna do one more coat just to make sure. Alright, so I've now gotten to the point when I applied the second coat of activator, and guys, this is really cute. I love this idea. Now for the final nail, the thumb, I'm going to use the expensive pink color here. I'm going to do a full coverage on this nail, and then I'm going to decorate it with some red flakes I got from Double Dip as well. Alright, so we're now at the part when I finished all the dip bases for all of the nails up to activator. Now it's time for the finishing touches. I'm going to get one of these pearls for the pinky nail. To adhere it, I'm going to grab Double Dip's top coat, apply a coat to the nail, and then place it right in that wet top coat. And then once that first coat dries pretty quickly, I'm just going to go in for the second top coat to bring that extra shine. And to do this, I'm just going to work the top coat around the bead carefully. And this will really make sure it's adhered. This is a pretty good method of adhering stuff to dip powder, I found. It doesn't last forever, like I think it lasted maybe a week the last time I tried this. But I found it worked pretty well, and it's pretty easy since you're applying top coat anyway, so you might as well. However, the downside is that this base does dry pretty fast. So I'm just going to put down a little bit at a time. I'm going to put some silver rhinestones on this nail in kind of a curvy pattern. And then for that second coat of top coat, just brushing it on all around the rhinestones to try to secure them the best I can. Now for the middle nail, I have this loose red glitter. I have a whole kit of all these different colors of loose glitters. They're really cheap, but they're great for this purpose. I'm first going to apply the top just near the cuticle area, and then just scoop over some of that glitter right on, and it will stick beautifully to that top coat. And I'm just going to use my finger to just try to press it down as flat as I can. Then I'm going to apply some top over the whole nail, and then start picking up the glitters and making it slowly fade upwards to create an ombre effect. Perfect. Now for the pointer nail, we're going to simply apply 2 coats of the top coat. And there's nothing else we're going to do to this one. Now for the thumbnail, we're going to do some of these red flakes here. I also got from Double Dip a little while ago. You could also use glitter if you don't have this, but I just thought I'd try you. So I'm going to apply some top and then just spoon some of these flakes on, and then just gently press them down to make them all flat. And finally, I'm just going to massage some cuticle oil around my nails. So here is the completed manicure. I had a lot of fun with this one. I really love doing different kinds of art with the dip powder. So a big thank you to Double Dip Nails for sending me these products to try out. And I do have a coupon code Polish Queen that you can use to get 20% off anything you're interested in from their store, and I'll have all the information linked below. I'm also soon planning to review their Spring Pastels collection, which I'm super excited to try out. And happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Please feel free to comment below what you think of this manicure. Remember that a smile is the prettiest thing you can wear. So until next time, stay warm and have a magical day.